Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where we explore the fiery journey of creating the world's most beloved spicy condiment today. From the vibrant fields of harvest to the kitchen table, hot sauce brings a unique zest that awakens every palate. The journey begins right here in the soil, where dedicated farmers carefully select only the ripest peppers for our production. Massive transport trucks carry tons of these spicy treasures to the facility, ready to begin their transformation into liquid gold. Upon arrival, the raw ingredients are unloaded into large receiving hoppers, marking the first step of this industrial culinary adventure. Efficient conveyor belts transport the fresh produce towards the initial processing area, ensuring a continuous flow for the factory lines. Powerful air blowers are utilized to separate light debris, such as leaves and dust, from the heavier, high-quality chili peppers. The peppers plunge into a bubbling water bath, where agitation helps loosen stubborn dirt without damaging the delicate pepper skins. Underwater jets propel the floating chilies forward, ensuring every single pepper is thoroughly soaked and prepped for the scrubbing phase. As they emerge from the bath, high-pressure spray nozzles deliver a final rinse to guarantee absolute cleanliness for food safety. Human inspection remains crucial as skilled workers meticulously remove any imperfect peppers that the automated systems might have missed earlier. Only the finest, fully ripe red chilies are allowed to proceed, ensuring the final sauce has the perfect, consistent color. Advanced de-stemming machines use rotating blades to precisely cut away the green stems while preserving the valuable flesh of the fruit. The waste material is collected for composting, while the clean peppers move forward, ready for the aggressive grinding stage ahead. We now enter the heart of the processing line, where the whole peppers are about to be crushed into a pulp. Heavy-duty metal shafts rotate with immense force, breaking down the cellular structure of the peppers to release their spicy juices. The result is a coarse mash, a vibrant mixture of skin, seeds, and flesh that holds the raw heat potential. Powerful pumps transfer this thick mixture through a network of sanitary piping towards the next critical stage of refinement. A centrifugal separator spins at high speeds to isolate the seeds and skins from the smooth, flavorful chili pulp liquid. Depending on the recipe, seeds may be removed entirely to create a smooth texture or kept for extra heat intensity. The refined pulp is stored temporarily in holding tanks where slow agitators prevent separation before the cooking process begins shortly. Quality control technicians take samples at this stage to measure the heat level and ensure the raw material meets standards. Under the microscope, we can see the capsaicin glands that contain the chemical compound responsible for the spicy sensation we love. Meanwhile, in the spice section, fresh garlic cloves are peeled and crushed to add a savory depth to the sauce. Precision scales weigh out the exact amounts of salt and sugar required to balance the acidity and heat of the sauce. The chili pulp is transferred into these massive cooking baths, where the magic of flavor fusion is about to take place. High-quality vinegar is added to the mix, acting as a natural preservative and providing that signature tangy kick we expect. Giant paddles churn the mixture vigorously, ensuring that the vinegar, spices, and chili pulp are blended into a perfect harmony. The mixture is heated to a specific temperature to pasteurize the sauce, eliminating any bacteria and ensuring long shelf stability. As the sauce cooks, the color deepens and the flavors meld together, creating a complex profile that is greater than its parts. Engineers monitor the cooking parameters in real time using advanced software to maintain consistency across every single batch produced here. Viscosity tests are performed to ensure the sauce has the right thickness, neither too runny nor too thick for pouring. Once cooked, the sauce passes through a heat exchanger to cool it down rapidly, locking in the fresh flavor profile. A homogenizer breaks down any remaining large particles, giving the hot sauce that silky smooth texture that consumers desire. We now move to the bottling line, where thousands of sterilized glass bottles march in formation, waiting to be filled. Before filling, each bottle is inverted and blasted with ionized air to remove any potential dust particles or foreign objects. High-speed nozzles descend with precision, filling multiple bottles simultaneously with the exact volume of spicy sauce in mere seconds. The anti-drip mechanism ensures a clean fill every time, keeping the bottleneck perfectly clean for the capping process. The sauce settles in the bottle, its vibrant color glowing under the factory lights, a testament to the quality ingredients used. A vibrating bowl feeder orients the caps correctly before they are placed precisely onto the moving bottles by a robotic arm. Torque-controlled capping heads spin the lids tight, creating an airtight seal that preserves freshness and prevents any leakage during shipping. High-speed labelers apply the brand's signature artwork to the bottles, giving the product its identity and shelf appeal. Laser printers mark each bottle with a batch code and expiration date, allowing for full traceability of the product's history. Safety is paramount, so every bottle passes through an X-ray scanner to ensure no foreign contaminants are present inside. Robotic arms with suction grippers efficiently pack the finished bottles into cardboard cartons, readying them for palletizing and distribution. The boxes are sealed automatically with tape, securing the heavy glass bottles inside for their journey to supermarkets worldwide. Heavy-duty palletizing robots stack the boxes in precise patterns to maximize stability and space efficiency during storage and transport. Forklifts move the loaded pallets into the massive warehouse, where they await distribution to eager customers across the globe. The warehouse is a hive of activity, with inventory constantly moving out to meet the high demand for this spicy condiment. Back in the lab, final random samples are tested for pH levels to ensure the acidity is perfect for preservation. Sensory experts taste the final product, evaluating color, texture, and flavor balance to guarantee it meets the brand's high standards. The final product is not just a condiment, it is a culinary companion that enhances the flavor of countless dishes. From fried chicken to tacos, the versatility of this sauce makes it a staple in kitchens and restaurants everywhere. The factory also produces various lines using different peppers like jalapeno and habanero to cater to different heat tolerances. Between batches, an automated cleaning system flushes the pipes with hot water and sanitizers to maintain impeccable hygiene standards. Environmental responsibility is key, with an on-site treatment plant ensuring all water used is purified before returning to nature. Organic waste, like seeds and skins, is converted into nutrient-rich compost, which is then returned to the local chili farmers. Regular maintenance schedules ensure that these complex machines operate at peak efficiency, preventing costly downtime and production delays. The entire operation is visualized on a central digital dashboard, giving managers complete control over every aspect of production. Every employee follows strict hygiene protocols, including protective clothing and sanitization, to ensure the product remains safe and pure. Advanced air filtration systems keep the factory environment free from airborne contaminants, maintaining a clean room standard in filling areas. The dry ingredients are stored in a humidity-controlled environment to prevent clumping and preserve their quality before mixing. Even the empty bottles undergo rigorous inspection to detect any micro cracks or defects that could compromise the product's safety. This factory serves a global market, exporting its spicy creations to dozens of countries across different continents and cultures. Proudly displaying its origin, each bottle represents the hard work of local farmers and the precision of modern engineering. The perfect drop of hot sauce is a balance of science and art, achieved through rigorous testing and precise manufacturing. From sweet and tangy to unbearably hot, the factory adjusts its recipes to create a diverse portfolio of flavors. Innovation never stops here, as research and development chefs constantly experiment with new ingredients to create the next big hit. For certain premium lines, the chili mash is aged in barrels for months, allowing complex flavors to develop through fermentation. This natural fermentation process breaks down sugars and enhances the umami character, giving the sauce a distinct, sophisticated taste. Stabilizers like xanthan gum are carefully added to ensure the sauce maintains its texture and doesn't separate over time. Laser coaters etch the production details onto the packaging at lightning speed, eliminating the need for ink and reducing waste. Random torque tests confirm that the capping machines are applying the exact amount of force needed for a secure seal. Artificial intelligence vision systems inspect every single label, instantly rejecting any bottle that is not perfectly aligned and aesthetic. Defective products are swiftly removed from the line without slowing down production, ensuring only the best reach the packaging stage. Special edition gift sets are assembled by hand, adding a personal touch for seasonal promotions and holiday celebrations. Sensitive ingredients like natural extracts are kept in cold storage to preserve their volatile aromatic compounds until the moment of use. Bulk liquids like vinegar and sweeteners arrive in tanker trucks and are pumped directly into massive silos for efficiency. Automated cranes glide through the high bay warehouse, retrieving pallets with computer-controlled precision to fulfill shipping orders. Distribution trucks dock seamlessly at the loading bays, creating a bridge for the finished goods to leave the facility. Skilled forklift operators load the shipping containers, maximizing every inch of space to transport the product efficiently and sustainably. With the paperwork signed and the cargo secured, the driver prepares to deliver these spicy bottles to retailers nationwide. From humble street food stalls to five-star restaurants, this hot sauce has become an essential element of modern gastronomy. The kick of heat releases endorphins, creating a pleasurable sensation that keeps spicy food lovers coming back for more. The factory often operates around the clock, a beacon of productivity meeting the insatiable global appetite for spicy flavors. Security teams monitor the facility 24/7, protecting the proprietary recipes and expensive machinery that make this production possible. Inside the control room, the night shift team maintains the same rigorous standards of quality and safety as the day crew. Periodic deep cleaning sessions involve dismantling equipment to scrub every nook and cranny, guaranteeing a sterile production environment. Swab tests are conducted regularly on equipment surfaces to detect any microscopic biological activity and verify cleaning effectiveness.
If we maintain this trajectory,
Each shift begins with a team briefing to discuss production targets, safety reminders, and any special requirements for the day. Continuous training programs ensure that every staff member is an expert in their role and fully aware of safety protocols. Behind the mechanical muscle lies a complex nervous system of electrical wiring and logic controllers that orchestrate every movement. Operators are skilled at replenishing consumables like labels and glue on the fly, minimizing interruptions to the high-speed line. Weight checks are performed frequently to ensure that customers receive exactly the amount of product stated on the label. Energy efficiency is a priority, with heat recovery systems capturing waste thermal energy to preheat water for other processes. Solar panels on the roof contribute clean, renewable energy to the grid, reducing the factory's overall carbon footprint.
I'm inputting the caliper data now to compare with the soil
allows
analysis.
agronomists to test new pepper varieties that might be more resistant to disease or weather. The best seeds are saved and distributed to partner farmers,
It's a pleasure doing
ensuring
business with
the
you.
genetic quality of the raw material remains superior.
To a successful
Strong
partnership.
partnerships with local agriculture ensure a steady income for farmers and a reliable supply chain for the factory. As the production batch nears completion, the team prepares for the changeover process to switch to a different sauce recipe. Changeovers are choreographed like a pit stop, with the team working quickly to reconfigure the line for a new bottle shape. A sample from every single batch is kept in a reference library for the entire duration of its shelf life.
Really pops, especially with the vibrant
Behind the scenes,
Absolutely, and the
marketing
Spice It Up
teams
campaign
work
concept on the
tirelessly
right
to
is
design
perfect for social
packaging
media.
that stands out on crowded supermarket shelves. Ultimately, the goal is to win the choice of the consumer, standing out among competitors
Finally,
as the
a chili
preferred
sauce with
spicy option.
absolutely no preservatives or
Transparency in
added sugar.
ingredients builds
This
trust,
one looks perfect.
assuring customers that they are buying a product made with integrity and care. Back in the home kitchen, the sauce becomes a secret ingredient that transforms ordinary meals into memorable feasts.
Oh, wow.
It brings people together, adding
at
a
his
spark of
face, it's so
excitement to family
spicy.
dinners and gatherings with friends around the table. From the sun-drenched fields to the high-tech factory floor, we have witnessed the incredible journey of the chili pepper. It is a process that combines the raw power of nature with the precision of modern engineering and food science. Every bottle is a testament to quality, safety, and the passion for delivering the perfect spicy kick to your life. As the sun sets over the facility, production continues. ensuring that the world never runs out of its favorite hot sauce. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of industrial hot sauce manufacturing and production technology. Thank you for watching Precision Craft Factory. Subscribe now to discover more amazing industrial processes in our next detailed episode.